Hey guys, welcome to Bharat Tech Talks, your very own technology channel guys. Today we are going to talk about a very cool feature of WhatsApp which is related to your location sending in WhatsApp, right? For this guys, we will also discuss that what is the difference between the current location and the live location in WhatsApp and how you can send both of these locations in WhatsApp. So without wasting any further time guys, let's just jump into the video. Now guys, suppose if you want to send your current location or live location to a particular contact in WhatsApp, simply what you have to do is that enter the chat of that particular contact. Once you enter the chat, click on the message box and there you will see this attachment sign. Now click on this attachment sign, you will see these 6 options in front of you. Now here you have to select location. Now see, when I select location, it says that GPS is disabled, so you have to enable it. So let me enable the location in my phone. Location is enabled. Let me go back. Now you see on this screen it is showing 2 options guys. The number 1 option is that share your live location, and second is send your current location accurate to 23 meters or whatever range. This is decided automatically. Now let's try to learn this one by one. Now suppose I want to share my live location. Click on share live location. This screen would open in front of you. Now here it would ask you to share your live location every 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours, right? So according to your preference you will select this. So let me select 15 minutes. You can also add a comment if you want. I don't want to add a comment, and click send. Now when you send this guys, you see that below this there is written stop sharing. This is written because this WhatsApp would keep on sharing your live location every 15 minutes with that particular contact. So guys, the real difference between this live location and you see current location is that live location means it would share your current location where you are at present, and every 15 minutes it would keep on sending your current location. Since you are moving, so your location would keep on changing. So this is your live location. It would keep on changing since you are moving. And if I send current location, it would send my current location only once. So this is the difference between your live location and current location guys. So in case of your live location, your location would be updated every 15 minutes or 1 hour or 8 hours, whatever you select. And in case of your current location, it would share your location only once and it would send your location at that present moment where you are. So guys, this is how you can send your location, which is your live location or your current location, to a particular contact in WhatsApp. And this was the motive of making this video, because I wanted to share this information with you. So guys, I hope that you would like the video. Do share this video with your friends and family members and spread the knowledge. And thank you guys for taking your time out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Peace out.